Well, hey, pretty sure this isn't what you were expecting to see when you first clicked on this video, huh? Before I start, I want to make sure that you guys, like this video and you're subscribed to my channel and you have clicked the notification bell. So this is gonna be a full detailed review on the Curls Blueberry Bliss line. I contacted them about 2 months ago. I received their products in the mail a whole week ago. I haven't got around to trying them. I've been so busy with my own stuff I have going on that I haven't really got around to trying them. I wanted to do a full review on the whole line. I've seen some old reviews on YouTube, but their old reviews are like outdated, so I really want this to be very, very detailed, because that's another thing. I didn't really see very detailed reviews. So I think I'm gonna do a wash and go in this video, and then I may do another video doing like a twist out or something. I'll let you guys decide that. So in this line, we have a hair wash, which is basically a shampoo. We have a deep hair mask, which is a deep conditioner actually. It is a deep conditioner, y'all. And then we have a curl moisturizer, probably the leave-in for my wash and go. And we have a twist and shout cream. This is why I say I may do a twist out video as well, because to be honest, I still may use this for my wash and go. I don't know. And then we have the very popular curl control jelly. And then the last product is a hair growth oil. Let me just tell you a little bit about this line. They have no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, artificial oils, colors, or fragrances, which I find that's really cool, because it says no, artificial fragrances, but when you smell it, it smells just like blueberries. So that's really cool. So the first product I'm gonna use is the Reparative hair wash, and it says right here on the label, it is a rich and creamy sulfate-free cleanser, guaranteed to soften the driest kink, hydrate the driest curl, and encourage healthy scalp and hair growth. So some key ingredients would be certified organic blueberry extract. That's why it smells like blueberries. It's blueberry extract. Blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice, and how do you pronounce that word? I'm gonna just put it up on the screen. It's clinically proven to repair, protect, restore, and grow your curls. Okay, so you can detangle with this, and you're supposed to leave it in for around 10 minutes. So that's different. I'm going to go wet my hair and I will return. All right, so I have a towel. I don't think I'll need it though. The consistency is really rich. It's really rich and it smells so good, y'all. I like to be very product happy. I'm gonna try to avoid that in this video. So I'm gonna take this much shampoo at first. And then if this isn't enough, then I'll use more. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't feel like your traditional shampoo at all. It feels more like a conditioner. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but the Diva Curl No Poo, that's what this feels like. And just like the No Poo, I have to use a lot of it. Now, for it to be shampoo, well, it says on their hair wash. I guess curls are trying to be different. It has some slip. I'm able to detangle my hair. So that's new. I like that, especially considering there isn't like a subsequent conditioner that goes with the shampoo. Actually very surprised with how easily I'm able to rake my fingers through my hair. This really doesn't feel like this feels like a conditioner, y'all. For the hair wash, I would say I know it's cleansing my hair. I just have a feeling it's cleansing my hair, but it feels like a co-wash. So I'm going to leave this in my hair for 10 minutes, just like it said on the label, and I'll go rinse it out and then I'll be right back. My hair is like defined, like I put some curl cream in there. So A+ for the hair wash. The next product is the Reparative hair mask right here. So it says it's a deep penetrating intensive condition. Let me put this towel back on because my hair is dripping. A deep penetrating intensive conditioning hair mask guaranteed to prevent breakage, repair damage, and enhance growth. I can leave it into my hair anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 25 minutes to an hour. So let's see about the mask. All right, so it's very thick. The mask is very thick, y'all. This mask also feels really, really rich. These are some high quality products, y'all. Just like the shampoo, this has a lot of slip. And because the hair wash basically got rid of all my tangles, this process, it's really easy. So far, y'all, I'm loving this line. I think for the hair wash, I'm gonna be using that like 24/7. Like when I run out of the hair wash, that's gonna be a product that I will go back and purchase with my own money. All right, y'all, my favorite part about all of this so far is there is no shed hair on my hands whatsoever. Oh wait, no, never mind. This is it, y'all. This is all like my shed hair, my breakage. So that's that. Yo, this is one of my shirts from Fashion Nova, and it's got conditioner on it. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, do its job, and then right before I rinse it out, I'm going to shoot it with some heat just so that I can really get in there before I rinse it out. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I rinsed out the deep conditioner. My hair feels amazing. All right, so while I was sitting there with the deep conditioner in my head, I was really contemplating on whether I should use the twist and shout cream or not. I'm not twisting my hair, but looking at this curl moisturizer, it's a spray. It's a detangling leave-in conditioner. I think I'm gonna apply this first, and then depending on how my hair feels, that'll determine if I use a twist and shout cream. So not only is this a detangling leave-in conditioner, but you can use this to refresh your hair as well, so that's nice. Hold on here. When I actually rake this stuff through my hair, it's like defining it. I thought it was just, I don't like spray mist products because I feel like they do nothing for my hair. But this, I see some potential in this, so section off my hair. Then I'm gonna take some more. Okay, y'all, I was not expecting that at all. What is this? I really wish y'all could see this, but my hair has never been that defined from like a mist or anything, you know? This is crazy. This is like that product that'll define your hair. Because it's so lightweight and watery, it's not gonna like weigh it down at all. So I'm really liking this. I'm not gonna use a twist and shout cream because I feel like this is a nice, created like a nice coat or barrier from the next product with it, which is the gel. All right, so next is the Curl Control Jelly. This is the very famous jelly. I've seen this when I was first starting my hair journey. I was seeing a lot of hype surrounding this jelly. I'm very excited for this product. Okay, so I was expecting it to be kind of runny. I don't know why, but it's got a nice consistency to it. Once again, very rich. So I'm gonna take this much. This feels really good, y'all. Whoa. Do y'all see that? Y'all are gonna hate me for saying it, but this reminds me so much of Eco Styler Gel. I'm like so dead ass. Like, I can definitely tell this is gonna leave like a nice hold in my hair. Did it even say that on the label? I didn't really think this was gonna leave my hair with a lot of hold. Let's see. So you can use it to refresh your hair as well. That's crazy. Okay, Curl. It's been a while since I've been like amazed by hair products because I go through so many different hair products and there are so many good hair products, you know? But since I already use a lot of good hair products, I never get like one of those wow moments, you know? I'm getting one of those wow moments tonight. I'm sorry, I'm still like kind of in shock. All right, the last product is this hair growth oil. So it says right here, did you know that blueberry extract is proven to repair and restore damaged hair, prevent breakage, and increase hair growth? No, I did not know. So it says you can apply it directly to your scalp and after you use the leave-in conditioner. I use the leave-in conditioner and the gel, so I'm just gonna take that much and just kind of smooth it over my hair. So I'm gonna flip my hair over and then just smooth it in. This is my hair. All the product is applied. I didn't use the twist and shout cream. I'm gonna diffuse my hair. Gonna do that off camera, and then we will see what my hair looks like, y'all. But so far, I have really high hopes. All right, do y'all see this? I think the results, they kind of speak for themselves. I don't have a mirror or anything, so I can't really perfect the shape of my hair. I don't know. So this is about what I would wear my hair like. Sometimes I'll kind of have a little part to the left, but for the most part I wear my hair straight down the middle like this. These are my results, y'all. It feels like there's nothing weighing down my hair. I got a lot of volume. My hair has so much body and volume and life in its first day here, so I can only imagine what it's gonna be like for day 2 hair and day 3 hair. It's got a lot of bounce, obviously. It has a lot of shine. I'm actually kind of glad I didn't use the Twist and Shout cream because I feel like that would have made my hair a little greasy, I don't know. I'm very happy with these results. 10 out of 10, definite 10 out of 10 for all of these products. What do y'all think? Do y'all think my hair turned out a little bit different than it usually does? That is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, do all that good stuff. And I just want to thank Curls for sending me their products to review. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.